I'm Vatsala. I'm here at the My Family Services Gala event. And as you know, My Family Services is not only Glitz and Gala, it's basically supporting victims of domestic violence, substance abuse, mental health issues, and senior issues. We strive really hard to make the victims of domestic violence, substance abuse, etc., to make them into strong, really strong survivors.
It happened because of few beautiful people who came in and saw the need for such an organization. It's shameful on one side that we still exist because of the abuse and violence that's going on around in our own community in Michigan. But at the same time, I think we are all very happy and glad that we are able to contribute our time, our services, your presence, your participation in helping all those who are in need.